This ride started off pretty normal. Nothing really out of the ordinary. Just riding, getting into a little bit of snow. I did get stuck here. Pretty good, actually. But I've been stuck much worse before. My buddy and I, we dug it out. We got moving again. Didn't really think twice about it. Looking back now, I'm pretty sure this is where things started to go wrong. And you'll see the fix on that later on in this video.
Let's see if I get stuck down there. You're not allowed to be the only guy getting stuck. I started going up the side of the hill, and I could feel the sled starting to tilt over, and I was going towards some of the trees.
Yeah. And yours has a lot more travel than mine. Like mine, it doesn't take much to sink down, and then it just kind of stops.
Yeah.
You got a lot of travel.
Yeah, I don't know if I take yours down here.
Well, especially now the trail's like beat down, like
Yeah.
I'd sink in, and today would get a whole lot longer, I think, if I came down here. That didn't work. We're gonna have to get her back down where you were, I think. And you got her that time.
I've got a little issue here with the old Everest. I'm missing some hardware. I'm gonna do the right thing. I'm gonna ride it over to my friend's place and see if he's got a bolt that'll fit it, because I've checked all my hardware and I don't have anything. Probably shouldn't be riding it, but whatever. I'll show you what it's missing. This right here, that's supposed to be tucked up and have a bolt in it right there, like this side. That one needs to get tightened up, but you can see where that is. I'm gonna start this thing up and head on out.
Just stopped here for a quick sec. Just got to make sure I kept all the fresco on the sled. It looks like the bungees are holding to hit the trail again.
Yeah, just over quite a ways.
That do anything?
No.
Perfect. Yeah, like there's the track is closer to this side of the tunnel
Oh yeah?
on the drinker side. She just needs to get booted over.
The track's closer on this side or that side?
On my side.
Oh.
Less than a finger width between the track and the tunnel on this side.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Now just put the weight on it. It's inside now. Like it's
Okay.
maybe sit on it.
I'm sure this looks really funny on camera.
You see it?
Oh yeah, she's really good at coming forward too. Oh yeah. If I loosened off the adjusters for the track, that also might help too, because then that way the whole thing can like slide ahead a little bit.
Yeah. Jeez. Yeah, it's not going down enough though. You can try the track thing. Ready?
Yep.
I guess your wrench would just sit alongside the tunnel, couldn't it? Like, can you just lay yours down so...
Yeah.
I wonder if this was out. Would you have noticed if it was out? Like, cause I don't remember your sled ever sitting like this.
I'm so unobservant. Put a little bit of work into her since I bought her. Not like a ton, but
You just did all the maintenance that wasn't done on it for 4 years. I think we're tight enough.
yeah.
It's okay if they
Yeah.
rotate together. Like, am I moving yours back and forth?
Yep.
Yeah, that's fine.
God, I don't want to smack my knuckles.
Oh, I know.
Actually, here, I'll lift up the ass end. That way we're not going against the weight.
It sits better. Like, man, before it was like the back of the track wasn't even touching the ground.
I think it's fixed. I do. We got the sled all sorted out, and right now I got my buddy just ripping around his yard. See if you get the skis up. Huh? See if you get the skis up.
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, throw her in reverse.
I'll come around.
Yeah. Good little test ride. Probably should shut her down before one of us gets injured. There she is in all of her glory. We've got the suspensions all adjusted. It's actually deflecting properly. We got a new bolt put in the to like that upper suspension through shaft. Anyway, she's running great, feels great, and I'm probably going to take it out for a little ride this evening. Let's do a quick walk around here, summarize what was done. So this right here, that's the bolt that was missing. We got everything hammered back up. We have the track adjusted properly now too, and she's tracking straight. Thing looks great, feels great, runs awesome. What a beautiful machine. Well, if you watched all the way to the end here, I really appreciate the viewership, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully it's going to be motorcycles next time. But this is the winter that never ends. It's supposed to be spring, but it feels like winter, and at this point it just feels like punishment. Thanks for watching.